In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off Ask Permission to Download app on your App Store whenever you're trying to purchase any kind of thing, and how we can get rid of this. So this might be happening when you have family sharing. So when you're trying to purchase something, your parents might be receiving, or they should approve so that you can do the purchase. So if you're having that kind of an issue, and how we can do it. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to tap over here at the profile over here at the top. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit, and over here you can see there is an option called family. You have to tap on it. When you tap on family, what happens is you'll be getting an option like this. As you can see from here, you'll be having an option like this, and from here what you need to do is you just tap on ask to buy. You have to tap on it, so that you'll be getting another option over here like this, which says require purchase approval. You have to turn this off, and once you turn this off, most probably you'll be getting rid of this, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.